Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to create a border around a layer to allow you to, for example, create some white space, and I'm going to be using it today to, as you can see, I've got this dark blue ring here around the outside, and then further around that we have a white layer that goes around, a white ring that goes around, and then the actual design of the cog. So I want to expand the white part out a little bit so it's a bit more even. I've tried to make it as coloured in as I can be, but I don't want to waste any more time. So this is how you do it. All you need to do is select the layer. I'll just make sure I've got the right layer. Yep, we have. And then come down to FX, stroke, and then change the colour here. I want to change it to white. So there we go. And then make sure it's on the outside. And there we go. We've got, you can just see a preview of it there. So I'll change it to something that maybe I want to look for. Yeah, that looks about right. So that's it. That's a quick tutorial. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching, and remember and like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.